Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss in this video computer awareness questions and quiz for oil exams, junior assistant, banking, IBPS, RRB, RBI, SBI, NABARD examinations of 2020-2021. Computer awareness for IBPS PO, IBPS clerk, bank PO, bank clerk and other entrance or competitive examinations. So let's start the video. Question number 1. The word computer has been derived from which of the following language? Option number 1 Greek, option number 2 English, 3 Hindi, 4 Latin. Friends, the correct answer is option number 4 Latin. Question number 2. Input, output and processing devices grouped together represent a. Option number 1 mobile device, option number 2 information processing cycle, option number 3 circuit board and option number 4 computer system. The correct answer is option number 4 computer system. Question number 3. Which of the following is the correct order of the 4 major functions of a computer? Option number 1 process, output, input, storage. 2 input, output, process, storage. Option number 3 process, storage, input, output. And option number 4 input, process, output, storage. The correct answer is option number 4 input, process, output, storage. Question number 4. Collecting the data and converting it into information is called. Option number 1 processing, 2 compiling, 3 importing and option number 4 exporting and option number 5 none of these. The correct answer is option number 1 processing. Question number 5. Computer cannot perform. Option number 1 input, option number 2 output, option number 3 thinking and option number 4 processing. The correct answer is option number 3 thinking. Question number 6. A computer cannot perform which of the following functions? Option number 1 addition, option number 2 subtraction, option number 3 back and calc, option number 4 division and option number 5 none of these. The correct answer is option number 3 back and calc. Question number 7. Part number, description and number of parts ordered are examples of. Option number 1 control, option number 2 output, option number 3 processing, option number 4 feedback and option number 5 input. The correct answer is option number 3 processing. Question number 8. Benefits of computers are. Option number 1 very fast and can store huge amount of data. Option number 2 provide accurate output either input is correct or not. Option number 3 think about the processing. Option number 4 all of the above. The correct answer is option number 1 very fast and can store huge amount of data. Question number 9. A collection of unprocessed items is option number 1 information, option number 2 data, 3 memory, 4 reports, and 5 none of these. The correct answer is option number 2 data. Question number 10. Which among the following cycle consists of an input, processing, output, and storage as its constituents? Option number 1 processing, option number 2 output, option number 3 input, option number 4 storage, and option number 5 data. The correct answer is option number 5 data. Question number 11. This is data that has been organized and presented in a meaningful fashion. Option number 1 a process, 2 software, 3 storage, 4 information, and 5 data. The correct answer is option number 4 information. Question number 12. Data or information used to run the computer is called option number 1 hardware, option number 2 CPU central processing unit, option number 3 peripheral, option number 4 software, and option number 5 none of these. The correct answer is option number 5 none of these. Question number 13. The steps and tasks needed to process data such as responses to questions or clicking an icon are called option number 1 instructions, option number 2 the operating system, option number 3 application software, option number 4 the system unit, and the option number 5 the hardware unit. The correct answer is option number 1 instructions. Question number 14. The earliest calculating device is option number 1 calculator, 2 abacus, 3 difference engine, 4 analytical engine, 5 none of the above. The correct answer is option number 2 abacus. Abacus is the earliest calculating device. Question number 15. Abacus can perform option number 1 addition, 2 subtraction, 3 multiplication, and option number 4 both 1 and 2. The correct answer is option number 4 both 1 and 2. In this channel, we try our best to provide accurate and valuable information, but sometimes information may be incorrect for various reasons. All the items given here are for educational purposes only. Dear friends, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.